Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, May 20th. The Zen story for today is titled The Man Who Reached the Horizon. A man spent his life chasing the horizon. Every morning he rose with the sun and walked toward the place where the sky met the earth. Years passed. His steps never slowed. Towns and rivers faded behind him. His beard grew long. His shadow stretched and shrank with the turning days. One evening, as the sun dipped low, he looked up and saw it, the horizon, close enough to touch. His breath caught. His journey was ending. He took a final step. The earth remained beneath his feet. The sky remained above. The horizon had moved. The man stood still. For the first time in his life, he turned around. Behind him, his footsteps stretched back forever, swallowed by the wind. The desert was silent. Somewhere in the distance, the horizon waited. Now, as always, take a comfortable position and relax your body as much as it can be relaxed right now, arriving in stillness. Let your eyes close gently if you'd like to, or keep them open. And take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. Does the horizon move, or do you? If the distance never ends, is it truly ahead of you? Does the horizon move, or do you? If the distance never ends, is it truly ahead of you? What disappears when you stop chasing? If you stand still, does the path vanish, or does something else appear? What disappears when you stop chasing? If you stand still, does the path vanish, or does something else appear? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, they are all in our private circle group, along with the practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.